Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have clicked on this video, so you want to spam the message box of your friend or enemy. So what you gonna need? All you need is just two things, and those are one is Python and the second one is PyCharm IDE. If you haven't installed PyCharm IDE, then probably here you get the I button and it's blinking now probably, and you can go ahead there and download the PyCharm. And now I'm just straight going to our PyCharm IDE, and here I'm going to give 8 line of program that you will need to send messages to your friend or any other person. So let's start. So first you gonna need to import PyAutoGUI and time library. After that you need to just simply make a file here. So for that I have already created a bmovie file. So for suppose if you want to create a file, then you need to go to the browser, and then here you're gonna type is Bagman movie script or any movie script that you want to. After that copy paste these dialogues to a text file. So copy these files, and from here copy these also, and after that go to your PyCharm IDE and go to your project, right click here, go to the new file and create a new file here. Give it any name, for suppose bmovie and bmovie2. Hit enter, and here you can select text and then press OK. So right here you can see we have added the bmovie2 file here, and double click here and this file has been opened. Now copy paste here all the dialogue that we have taken from that browser and from that movie, and after that go to your spammer file again and create a variable named as file, and after that we are going to open that file, and the file name is beamer2 bmovie. So I'm going to take here bmovie file. Okay, I haven't created any bmovie2 file, so just remember it, and here I'm going to take R to read the file. After that I will start a loop, and here it will take every line in that file, and then I'm going to start another loop that will take word in that line, and then I'm simply gonna call PyAutoGUI dot typewrite word. Alright, after this I want to give an if function, and in that I'm going to just give a condition that if word is equals to a space, then I will hit the enter so that I can send that word to my friend message box. Now I'm going to call again PyAutoGUI, and then here I will press enter so that my message will be sent to the person. But if I run it here now, then my message will start printing where my blinking cursor is. For suppose if my blinking cursor is here, then the message will start printing here, and I don't want that. So what I want is I have already imported time module, so I will take here the time. So for this time, for suppose 5 seconds, my program will stop here after it comes to the second line, and after that it will open the file, then it will start the loop. In loop I have got the first line, but in line I will get here the first character, and the loop will start here according to the characters, and after that I will just type the first character, then second character, first of all first character, and then it will check that the next character is a space or not. If not, then it will again type the next character, and so on, and the loop will end at the end of the file. So before starting this program I want to open my Telegram, So here's my friend here and I want to spam message for him. So first of all I will go here and run this spammer file. After that running, during that 5 seconds I have to go there in the browser and then my blinking cursor should be in the typing message box. So here I will go and my blinking cursor you can see here, and now it will start. So as you can see, the system has been completely sending messages on its own, and that's it. The project is successful. So that's it for this video. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't, and see you in the next one.